evening, class. Today we're going to be discussing diabetes. What's your type? What is diabetes? Diabetes is a problem with your body that causes blood glucose levels to rise higher than normal. Today we're going to be reading pages 3 and 4 and write down some key facts about the different types of diabetes. Be ready to discuss after 10 minutes. Who would like to volunteer to talk about type 1 diabetes?
Yes, I'll go.
Go ahead, Davida. Enlighten us.
So I wrote about type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is usually diagnosed in children and young adults and was previously known as juvenile diabetes. Only 5% of people with diabetes have this form of the disease. In type 1 diabetes, the body does not produce insulin. The body breaks down sugars and starches you eat into simple sugars, and that is called glucose, which is used for energy. Insulin is a hormone that the body needs to get glucose from the bloodstream into the cells of the body. That's what I was reading about.
Is there any other type of diabetes?
There's also type 2 diabetes.
Okay, thank you for your participation. The most common form of diabetes is type 2. If you have type 2 diabetes, your body does not produce insulin properly. This is called insulin resistance. People are affected with type 2 diabetes after the age of 40, and it can cause many issues health-wise down the road.
1.9 million new cases of diabetes have been diagnosed in people ages 20 and older since 2010.
28.9% of the world's population have been diagnosed with diabetes. 1 in 3 adults have been diagnosed with pre-diabetes.
One of the ways to prevent diabetes is by exercising regularly,
Having a balanced diet,
going and see a primary physician as often as possible.
and knowing
What's
what's your
your